Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel, and today is fountain pen day, so have a nice fountain pen day too. Today I'm going to open this box that I received today, and it is one of my gifts for fountain pen day. This is the gift for fountain pen day as I received it today, and there is another fountain pen day gift which I ordered today. So this is a package that I got from Appelboom, and I'm going to use a nice blue metallic Victorinox Alox knife, and as you know, usually the color means something, and so part of the interior of this package will be blue. But firstly we have the green of the Appelboom boxes. So this is a purchase I made from them. Let me use the knife to cut the tape there, and let's see what we have here. So first we have this kind of big postcard. I don't really keep these, but I use them sometimes when I need to have some paper behind or beneath a sheet of paper. Sometimes beneath a Rhodia A5 notebook sheet of paper, and I'm making pens or ink reviews. It's useful, so I will not keep it forever, but as long as it works it will be useful for me. Then we have the most important thing of any Appelboom package, the stroopwafel. But they are the most important in a way, but there are more important stuff, of course, and that's what we are going to see. I don't have much stuff. It's two things. I bought these using the credit that I get on the store when you use the links, the affiliate links of that I put in my videos for the pens that I show. So if you buy from them with no extra cost for you, I get a little bit, I get some money there, and that's what allows me to make these purchases sometimes, using that money and not wasting my real money. So we have two little packages. Let's open them. They came wrapped as if they were gifts, but they are not, and they have two very different things in it, and actually one is not even compatible with the other. Let's open these. But they're not compatible, but I wanted to get them anyway. So let me ask you, what did you get for the fountain pen day? It's a day where there are lots of how can I say, of discounts and promotional codes, so everyone gets a good day to make that big purchase. This is not that big, but it is something that I needed to have because inside there is one of the pens that I am collecting. So first thing I got in this package was this, and this is a traveling inkwell from Visconti. They changed the packaging, I see. So look at this. I could almost sleep under this. This is an A3 sheet of paper, I guess. So these are the instructions, but you don't need to read that in those instructions. I have a video about this. This is the Visconti traveling inkwell. It comes with a oops, out of camera, with an eyedropper, and here it is, the traveling inkwell. I have 3 of them, and I have them always with ink, and I think these will be always inked maybe, or this one will be empty and I'll ink it when I'll travel. I'm not sure, but they are really useful and I really use them, and maybe sometime I should make a video about why I still use the Visconti the Visconti traveling inkwell. Okay, so this is really a tool more than kind of a collectible. I really use those. And now let's go for the real pen, which is less expensive than the traveling inkwell and cannot be used with it, at least in a regular way. It is a Lamy pen inside a normal Lamy box, and here it is. I'm really how can I say, I'm really surprised. Really sorry about that. This is not what I was expecting. Okay, I'm not unhappy. It's the opposite, but it's very, very unexpected. So this is the new Lamy CP1, how is it called? Aquamarine. And you know that I like Lamy CP1s and I'm trying to collect them all. So I needed to have this one, period, that's it. Oh, it doesn't come with a cartridge, not even a single cartridge. I don't like Lamy in that way. I like to have my cartridge pens come at least with a cartridge. I no longer ask for a converter, but at least a cartridge, just to be able to start writing with the pen. They don't come with it. Okay, no problem, but maybe you should be aware of it. Okay, just for you to know, it doesn't come with a cartridge. It's not ready to use, but I have lots of on my room, on my desk. I have lots of Lamy cartridges, those blue Lamy cartridges, so I can put it here. This is the Lamy CP1 Aquamarine. I love this model and I really wanted to have this pen. However, I thought this would be a glossy, shiny pen, and it's not. It's a matte blue pen, so I am really surprised about it. Let me check. I have these instructions or this catalog, and I really wanted to have that it will be my next purchase. I need to buy the new Lamy Ion also, but I didn't see it yet on stores, just announced at the Lamy website. So let me put this away. And one of the reasons I wanted this pen is because I'm collecting them all and I'm going to show it to you. So first I want to show you some of my blue metal pens. This is the Kaweco Dutch Pen Show Waterworld. It is a very beautiful pen with black trim. Very, very beautiful blue. I have other metal blue pens, but I'm not showing them today. I'm just showing some of them now, but maybe that's an idea for some videos, one showing my blue metal pens and the other showing my my Lamy CP1 collection. That may be an idea for 2 future videos, but today, just for comparison, I have here the Parker Esprit, which is a telescopic pen like this. It has a nice blue. It is a darker blue than that one, and the pen is telescopic, as you may see, and it becomes a full-size pen this way, and like this it is a pocket pen. So it is an interesting model, which is a copy from Rotring, or actually it is a Rotring model that Parker got when they acquired the Rotring writing division. Also have the Lamy Pacific Blue, Lamy All-Star Pacific Blue, which is also brighter than this one. And I have here also the Kaveco Lilliput Blue, which is also, or Kaveco Collection Lilliput Blue, which is also different shade. This is a dusty, powdery, kind of an epoxy version of the Lamy CP1, and I'm quite happy about it because I am really surprised. But for me, in the point that I am in my collection, I will welcome almost every Lamy CP1 pen. So I was expecting it to be shiny. It is not, but I'm not disappointed. I want anything that comes. I am just surprised. And now let me just show you some of my Lamy CP1s. It's not all of them. It's just the ones that I have with the same diameter as the current ones, but there are more variations of Lamy CP1. I still don't have them all. They are not that easy to find. So have this one, we have the black, which is a current version of Lamy CP1. This one is a little bit older because this nib doesn't have even the Lamy inscription on there, but this is the current edition of the black Lamy CP1, which is also a matte version of it. I have the white, which is no longer made. This one actually has even the sticker with the price and the model, which is the 57. And there was also a white Lamy CP1 with a slimmer version. I don't have. This one has a black nib. So there are lots of other versions I need to find and collect. I have this one, which is an aubergine colored one, eggplant colored one. This is a marketing thing for Mercedes-Benz. This one has a glossy finish like the white. We have this one, I think it was called gunmetal. I'm not sure about the names. I have them written down and shown partially in some videos. I need to make a full video about Lamy pens. So you can see this one is glossy, but it is kind of gunmetal gray. It's not black. You have black there for comparison. There are also other variations of these. I think there is this version with black trim, and I have this one, which is a chrome version of it. So all metal chrome shiny. So there are these that are coated with a glossy thing. These, which is shiny. I have this one, which is the steel version. No, sorry, I made a mistake here. This is not a Lamy CP1. May I pause the video just for a little bit? Just for a moment. So I'm back. Sorry about this. This should be a very interesting and nice fountain pen day video, but it's already a mess. I'm sorry about it, but this is me. So this is not a Lamy CP1, this is a Lamy Linea, but they are the same pen. Almost the biggest difference is the clip that you may see is a different one, but they are the same pen. So let me take this out of the way. I just mistaken. I have this one in the wrong place. So I have this one, which is the steel version. This one still has the sticker that says, or used to say, M there. So this one it is a kind of a matte version because it is brushed steel. And I have here my most recent one, which has some texture like an older sterling silver one that I have there, which is the platinum version of the Lamy CP1. This one has gold nib, and unlike all the others, it has this metal section, and the metal section has no ridges there as they usually have on the plastic one. So they are all little different. This was around until a year or two. Now it's discontinued, but I could find it one this year and I'm quite happy. So this is my second Lamy CP1 of this year. So we have the sterling silver, the regular black. The ones that you can find are just the regular black, and this one that was just released. Then if you search a little bit, you may find this platinum edition. This chrome is very hard to find. This gunmetal also. This aubergine with publicity also hard to find. This is hard but less hard, the white one, and the steel one that I don't see many also. So I have several of them. I find this fun. I like these Lamy pens and I'm really happy to have these. So I'm really excited. As you may see, because I made this video a mess of how excited I was. Just for you to know, I bought this, as I told you, because it's really useful for me, for my almost daily use. I use these more than just for traveling, and I was saying this is not useful for filling the Lamy CP1, because you have to put the mouth of a pen there and then to fill it with the converter. And if you put the pen here, the pen goes all the way inside. It's a pen that is too narrow to be used with this, so this was just to show you. I hope you found this video interesting, although it was a mess. Sorry about that. I wish you all a nice fountain pen day, and this maybe will interest you into taking a look at this newer pen and maybe to dive into a more complex sea of many different variations of the same model. So I'll leave the links below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon for more videos. This was just my fountain pen day unboxing. See you next time. Bye.